Hello?
Yes. May I speak with Gene?
Who's calling?
Don Anderson?
Okay. What is it concerning?
It was about inquiring about septic services. I'm setting up in a business nearby. I was hoping maybe he could help me here.
Okay. Hang on a second.
All right.
Hello.
Hey, Gene. This is Don Anderson calling. It was just calling to inquire about septic services. I'm putting it in business by Austin, Texas. Are you familiar with Wallowbrook?
With Waller?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Do you do business in that part of town?
Yes.
Okay. We're planning on being up there. It's going to take us a little while to get everything situated at the moment. But I've been wanting to have somebody that I could put down here is a guarantee that we can get the job done when we get up there.
What's the name of your company?
Anderson Service Company. We service dozers.
You service dozers?
Yes, bulldozers and cat equipment, things like that.
Okay, and what do you need done?
We need... Well, right now the building, I guess the last time I spoke with the manager, the project manager, building's just about complete, the structure of it. He did say that I should try to get set up with the septic system to have one put in. How much is that going to cost me?
To put a septic system in?
Yes, sir.
No, that's all we do is service.
Oh, you service you're not the actual one that puts them in.
No.
Oh, well, see, I just thought that maybe you were the guy. I was given this number here that said septic and service, and I thought maybe you'd put them in, but I guess not. I apologize, though, if I got the wrong guy.
That's okay.
And you take care now, and have a good evening.
Okay.
Bye-bye.